Now that our sample application is up and running, the next step is to model the data that we are going to use for our application. We'll be having a shop and product. Shops will have many products. Now here we'll be making use of GraphQL. So first of all, I've created a new file called schema.graphql. And over here in this, we'll be creating, first of all, a shop and then another type or model called product. Now there will be a relationship between these two, that a shop will have many products. So let's go ahead and start with shop. To begin, we will be writing the model as type and then the name of the model, shop in this case, and here we'll be closing it like this. Now within this shop model, we'll have name of the shop, and the data type will be string, and next will be description, and here its data type again will be string. Then we'll have the cover image, which is going to be string again. Next we'll have products. This is going to be an array of products because a shop will have many products. So here to begin with, we'll have a blank because we have not created the product yet, but we'll come to that as well. Next we'll have the owner ID. Let's have this as a string as well. So here we have created the shop model. Now let's go ahead and create the product model as well. So again, we'll type name of the model, product, and this is again going to have something similar like name as a string, and then we'll have description as a string, and next we'll have price of the product, and this is going to be of type float. Category, this is again going to be of type string, and next we'll have shop, and this time around we'll have, as you can see, the autocomplete is also showing the relationship is going to be with the shop model. So here we'll see shop and we'll have the relation attribute here. Similarly, for products, we'll now have product mentioned over here, and this way a shop can have many products. So that's our GraphQL model, and the relation directive that we are using over here. This is going to define the relationship between the shop and the product collections. The relation directive is unique to Fauna. It establishes a one-to-many relationship between two models. If you have prior knowledge of any SQL-based database, then you might be familiar with this concept of creating relationship between two tables through a foreign key constraint. With this relation directive, we pretty much do the same thing. Although Fauna is not a SQL-based database, it does certainly take a lot of inspiration from SQL-based databases when it comes to data modeling.